Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. Today our subject is math and our today's topic is missing numbers and the number names. Today we will deal page number 33, 34, 35 and 36. After watching this lesson, students will be able to recognize tens numbers, write missing numbers, write name of the numbers. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. Here I am going to do page number 33. The question is write the missing numbers and the number name. Here is an abacus in which we will count on the abacus and write the missing numbers and the number names. Look, there is an abacus. On tens rod there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. 6 beads means 6 tens, which makes 60. And there is 0, 1. So here we write 0. Now add 60 plus 0 equals to 60. And now write the name of the number 60. SIXTY, 60. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. 6 beads means 6 tens, which makes 60. And one's rod has 1 bead, which means 1. So here we write 1. Now add 60 plus 1 equals to 61. And the number name 61. SIXTYONE, 61. Now in this abacus there are 6 beads, which means 60. And there are 1, 2 beads on one's rod, which means 2 ones. So here we write 2. Now add 60 plus 2 equals to 62. And the number name 62. SIXTY, 60. TWO2, 62. Now this abacus has 6 beads on tens rod, which makes 60. And there are 1, 2, 3 beads on one's rod, which means 3 ones. So here we write 3. Now add 60 plus 3 equals to 63. And the number name 63. SIXTY, 60. THREE, 3, 63. Now I am going to do page number 34. Now there are some more numbers. Write the missing numbers and the number names. In this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. 7 beads, which means 7 tens, and 7 tens makes 70. And there are 0 ones. So here we write 0. Now add 70 plus 0 equals to 70. And now write the number name 70. SEVENTY, 70. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 7 beads. 7 beads means 7 tens, and 7 tens makes 70. And ones rod has 1 bead, which means 1. Now add 70 plus 1 equals to 70. And now write the number name 71. SEVENTY 70. ONE 71. Now this abacus has 7 beads on tens rod, which means 70, and there are 1, 2 beads on ones rod, which means 2 ones. Now add 70 plus 2 equals to 72. And now write the number name 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO2 72. Now this abacus has 7 beads on tens rod, which means 70, and there are 1, 2, 3 beads on ones rod, which means 3. Now add 70 plus 3 equals to 73, and the number name 73. SEVENTY 70. THREE 73. Now I'm going to do page number 35. Write the missing numbers and the number names. Here is an abacus. Tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. 8 beads means 8 tens, which makes 80. And there is nothing on ones rod, which means 0 ones. Now add 80 plus 0 equals to 80, and the number name 80. EIGHTY 80. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 8 beads, which means 80, and ones rod has 1 bead, which means 1. Now add 80 plus 1 equals to 81, and now write the number name 81. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. Now this abacus has 8 beads on tens rod, which means 80, and there are 1, 2 beads on ones rod, which means 2. Now add 80 plus 2 equals to 82, and the number name 82. EIGHTY 80. TWO2 82. Now this abacus has 8 beads on tens rod, which means 80, and there are 1, 2, 3 beads on ones rod, which means 3. Now add 80 plus 3 equals to 83, and the number name 83. EIGHTY 80. THREE 83. Now I am going to do page number 36. Here we also write the missing numbers and the number names. Here in this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads on tens rod, which means 9 tens, and 9 10 makes 90. And there is nothing on ones rod, which means 0. Now add 90 plus 0 equals to 90, and the number name 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Now this abacus has 9 beads on tens rod, which makes 90, and there are 1 bead on ones rod, which means 1. Now add 90 plus 1 equals to 91, and now write the number name 91, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, O-N-E-1, 91. Now this abacus has 9 beads on tens rod, which makes 90, and there are 2 beads on ones rod, which means 2. Now add 90 plus 2 equals to 92, and the number name 92, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, T-W-O-2, 92. Now this abacus has 9 beads on tens rod, which means 90, and there are 3 beads on ones rod, which means 3. Now add 90 plus 3 equals to 93, and the number name 93, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, T-H-R-E-E-3, 93. So students, hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now your homework is to attempt page number 33, 34, 35 and 36 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.